1 minute signal on AMD, but you know, that's going to only last a couple minutes. Boy, look at BIDU go. It's just not getting the correct signal on that. Well, except for right there. All right, I'm going to get in right there on BIDU. BIDU. Going in. BIDU, whatever it is. All right. Hopefully I got the price on the pullback there. I'm in BIDU. Could have been kind of fake out. Maybe not. It looks like it does want to run a little more now. Up 5%. Shostak, you really late. You know, you want all these set up. That's why we show up real early, 30 minutes before the open. You wanted to have all these orders set up and ready to go. All right, I'm up 7% on BIDU, and I've got 20 options. Still looking for an entry signal on AMD. It doesn't mean like that it's not going up. It's going up, but you know, I would like to see a high probability entry signal. Otherwise, we could be getting in mid-risk to end. I was early. I just didn't know what we looked at. Well, yeah, we set it all up. BIDU, oh, they're all options plays today. But you can do it with stock. It really doesn't matter how you do it. But if you do it with stock, you want to do like half your account for entry. All I need is just one red candle on like the 4 minute or the 5 minute on AMD, and then we'll get in there. All right, I'm up 10% on BIDU, 11%. $21%. I'm going to take a couple contracts off here on BIDU at 31% gains. Sell to close. I have 20 contracts. I'm going to take off. I'm going to just start with one at the ask and see if it gets filled. AMD still no entry, even though it's just running and running. Vero still no entry. It's falling and falling. John, awesome. 20.8% for John. Percival. There goes AMD continuing. What a bummer that we could not get an entry on AMD. Like, what a nice little run. But really, you know, look at it. Our entry probably would have been around 90, almost 97. So it's really only up 3/4 of a point. I'm going to sell one contract of BIDU at market. I'm putting an order to sell one BIDU contract at the ask again, just in case it starts popping up. AMD still no entry. Veru still dropping, potentially putting in a bottoming tail bar. There goes BIDU. I'm sure I got my asks. Up 31% on BIDU. Okay, cool. Good for you, John. Way to trade. AMD no entry. Veru basing. So something interesting could start forming on Veru. We'll see. This is how boring, trading should be. I mean, trust me, I love action, but I've worked out the gambleaholic inside of me. All right, I'm up 41% on BIDU. I'm going to take another. I personally have 20 contracts, so I'm going to take another contract off. So that puts me down to still 75% of my position. So I feel like, John, you may be scaling out too fast. If you only had 5 contracts at this point, maybe be out 2 total. Because I'm seeing a lot of strength, so you kind of want to stay in. I put in an order at the ask so we can get the top price. All right, we're up 52% on BIDU. All right, Veru is showing only a 3-minute entry sign. First day here to usually call out what option, strike, and expiration date. Not really, Medi. So yeah, I do just sometimes say them, but we have a system, and the system is at the money, earliest expiration. When you day trade options, at the money, earliest expirations. Yeah, but frankly, Ryan, we're up 60%, but this is not a big win for me. Here I'm up 65% on BIDU, up $3,000. I'm used to 150%. Really, the big wins are 200% plus, and they happen. I am going to take off another contract here. We're up 68% on BIDU. 3.2 grand for me. Gonna try and get the ask. So clearly everybody thinks the electric vehicle is a huge thing for BIDU, and it's going to FOMO way up to some point, and then it's going to crash down because this is a FOMO run. Recognize. Even with scaling out, I'm still in and up for 3.2 grand on BIDU. Okay, Veru still not giving us the signal, but BIDU was clearly the good winner today. I'm going to put in another order at the ask on BIDU for another contract. I have 15, so I'm out 75% of my position. Put another order at the ask. If it just goes up another $1, these options, it'll be 100% gains because I got in under $3. All right, hot dog forming. Let's hope it stays. If it doesn't, I may take off a huge portion, like half, if it breaks the bottom of that 1-minute hot dog. Although, let me look at the 2-minute chart here. Yeah, it's just the same prognosis. That's all we have to go on, really, on that. Veru, no entry. AMD finally put in a red candle, so there might be an entry in a couple minutes. maybe 5-10 minutes. Oops, there goes the hot dog. Actually had a lot of energy. The FOMO's not over on BIDU. I'm going to put another contract in at the ask, which would bring me down to 14 contracts if I get it filled. Oh yeah, whew, BIDU taking off again. We're at 77%, and I probably did get my fill in there somewhere. I can give a 4-minute signal of entry on AMD for people who want it, if it happens in the next few minutes here. Not sure I want it anymore. I don't know. I don't know if AMD is going to really. How far is it going to go today? Where BIDU stops, nobody knows. Sergio, you missed out on BIDU. Screw AMD. I should have went balls deep in BIDU. Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. You never know which one it's going to be, you know? But yeah, I mean, if we got in AMD during all of that excitement, we'd still be almost at where we got in. So I'm really glad we didn't. And this is why we're momentum traders, momentum trend traders. And we look for confirmed entries. Like, how often do we make money? Almost all the time. All right, I'm up 82% on BIDU. Now we're getting to a point where I'm a little bit more excited. If I can get a triple-digit percentage gain, then I might even stand up. 88.4%. Woo! Isn't that, what was that, Back to the Future? 88.6. 88.8. Gigawatts. How many gigawatts? We should do our gains in gigawatts. Oh, God, that's hilarious. 91.4% gigawatts. All right. I'm happy to give you guys a triple-digit percentage gain today. That is just wonderful. I did not expect that from BIDU. What a nice little gift. There we are, 102% gains. I'm up $4,000 on the contracts I have left. I've already taken off grands. And it's still going up. Look at that, guys. Goodness gracious. I got to scale out some. We're at 105%. I'm going to take a contract off at the ask. I'm down to 13 contracts. I'll take one off at the ask right there. $117%, 4.5 grand. Wow. This turned out to be a whopper. All right, you guys got to take your screenshots. Whoever's in this, please, I'm imploring you, take your screenshots, post them to the group. This is insanity. Take your screenshots. 130%. I think I might be close to 10 grand up by the time this thing's over. Will I alert any other trades? I'm not seeing them right now. All right, we're still in this. 130% gains. I'm taking another contract off here. You can just chuck in contracts. I'm down to almost 50% my original position. There's a little bit of a drop there. I'm changing it to a market order. I do not want to get out. Let me watch the bids. 175.29. That's a real strong support. 175.29. So we're still in good shape here. 33. They're almost crossed. It's going to pop even higher in a second here. There it is, 175.5 gigawatts. $7 a contract now on the ask. I just sold another one, and we're at 140% gains. 4.5 grand. Nice. Thanks for posting your screenshot there in the group. You guys take your screenshots, and if you have the moment, please post them to the group. Where is my arrow? There we go. And we are seeing continued upward pressure. The bids are in the 176s. My Lord. Wow, we're up 150%. I got to print that to the group while I take another contract off. I've only got 50% of my position off, so this is fantastic. This is fantastical here. All right, I put in another order at the ask. Huge 5-minute candle. Huge gains today. Woo, look at those. Look at those prints, you guys. When you post that to the group, that gets me really excited. Woo, look at that. Nice. Silky. Yes, sir. 150%. I feel like going outside and starting up the chainsaw, motherfucker. I got to get out there now. So AMD, no signal. Veru, no signal. Still. 161% gains. Yeah, John, but you know, the percentage that I'm scaling out, so I'll say like, I'm taking off one contract. If I had 20 contracts, that's 5%. So if you had 5 contracts, you wouldn't even take off there. Probably wouldn't even take off there. Maybe you'd take off the first one, but then the next one, you'd wait till like 20%. See what I mean? Put a little logical system behind it. All right, BIDU finally putting in the turnaround. I'm literally just going to sell all my contracts right here. I can always get back in. I'm going all out, everybody. I'm going all out. Boom, I'm all out. I want to capture maximum profit on this move. I am all out. I can always get back in if I see something again. We'll go in for another leg, but that's it. I'm out. All right, I got $6.85. I'm fully happy with that. That's more than 100% gains. All right, we reached a